Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company and trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to use a secondary color, such as example on my Photoshop, uh, such as this one. Before this one, layer 39 is my secondary, and this is primary color, 32. So it looks like it used to be more boring. Layer 40 for ground is a secondary color, a bit purple, so it looks a bit more 2D plain, not 3D or good. But for more secondary color, add purple and brown, and add cyan, like CYAN, color. It looks like SpongeBob, so it looks more well done design color. I remember there are some wrinkles, like the cloth wrinkle, rock wrinkles. Maybe this rock can be a bit taller next time. Um, if I dare to change it. I changed this rock instead of sandpit. So the color is kind of weird secondary color, like purple instead of brown, or maybe some weird color like ocean color instead of sky color. Yeah, that I changed a little bit. I don't need to save it because I didn't acting much. And here's the color list. Uh, yeah. For my video game, I'm trying to make the priest rig character just to reuse it in maybe another video game as continuous storation thingy, maybe. So I think I've done my tutorial on when to use secondary color. Uh, sort of like this secondary color, the blue thingy, like like at least looks pretty nice and somehow cheats. That looks realistic. When it's pretty 2D fake photoshopping, but at least looks pretty real somehow because they just mixing cartoon style ish. Like wearing my blue shirt and while this is blue theme down here, sky and things like those. So it looks nicer and it looks more real, but it ends up it's not that highly skilled at drawing, like all the way AAA drawing down here, most likely, but at least looks like SpongeBob, at least looks real. So thank you.